Introducing the Smart Charger, a cutting-edge device designed for seamless charging of your lead-acid battery pack. This advanced charger is not just for any battery, it's made for yours, whether you need 48V, 60V, or 72V power. The high-quality ABS material used in its construction offers superior flame resistance and exceptional heat dissipation, keeping your charger cool even during extended use. With a large ventilation opening and a silent fan, the charger ensures efficient heat dissipation without any noise distractions. A smart 6-light display keeps you informed of the charging status at all times, allowing you to track the charging process easily. It's more than just a charger, it's a dependable partner in your battery care.